Got 4th of July weekend going on here. Lots of boats going by, but I thought I'd show you guys this before we get into the boat parade. This is my neighbor's. He decked it out pretty cool. They have a boat parade that goes by out here. We don't have a boat, so we won't be out on the water for it, but we'll film it from here, and here it comes. Enjoy. And there you go, the beginning of the boat parade. Got the neighbors all cheering. I don't know why they're not out in their boat, but... Oh, I don't think those people overtaking everybody are part of the parade. It's like they're just towing their kids. This is the Lake Secession Boat Parade. That one's decked out pretty damn good right there. So they start at the north end of the lake, work their way south. They start at the boat ramp, work their way down to the dam. This is a long, thin lake. If you want to look it up, it's called Lake Secession, South Carolina. It's fed by the Rocky River. And it's a long, thin lake, and the water's pretty good. And supposedly it's some of the best fishing around. It's cleanest water, so the fish, you could eat as many fish as you want to pull out of it. They kind of warn you on some of the other lakes like Hartwell and Kiwi, Russell in the area, that you're not supposed to eat too many of the fish that you pull out. I don't know if it's mercury or what, but there's a couple good ones there, huh? That's the thing. Don't decorate your boat. Just put a guy out front with a flag just flapping it around. That's pretty funny. See, that's what I'd do. I'd get 3 guys out front with flags, just make them flap them the whole time, and that's my decoration, right?
There they are.
There's our neighbor. There's all our neighbor's friends over here. And there he goes. Surprised they're not all on that boat. Sorry about the focus, folks. They did a good job with their boat, boy. Their vessel. I should say their vessel. Pontoon boats. Mostly pontoon boats. That is another nice one right there. The American flag. What is that guy doing? Looked like he was doing the Statue of Liberty or something almost. That was funny. There he is. It might be a selfie stick. Yeah, some of these guys aren't into decorating too much. They just want to participate in the adventure, which is pretty dang cool too. That would probably be me. Finding the time to decorate the boat all day might be a tough one. Got a couple neighbors here swimming. A couple neighbors right out there swimming. Right there. Oh, my neighbor's got a fish over here.
Throw that one at me, I'll punch you.
His wife warning him to not throw the fish at her. Look at that. Just a little guy. There he is. And might as well put that one back. Was that it, you think?
That was definitely
last year, there had to have been probably 3-4 times that.
Here goes another one. Heading back up north. A little bit of mayhem going on. He's got his kids in tow. I think they might be holding up some sort of sign. This is just your general business, I guess, on the 4th of July weekend. This is our first 4th here, so